Sure. Oh. Thanks, folks.
My other right.
Thank you.
All right.
Oh, I got you on my GoPro, so thank you, folks. Bye.
Hello.
Oh. There's a. It doesn't go through. Oh wow. Yeah, I don't know. Yeah, I don't think you can go through.
Yeah, but there's a bunch of brush on the other side. Once it goes under, I don't know if you can get through it.
Because it curves this way, right?
The trail goes
This way, yeah. So there's a.
Yeah, we were just here like what, Friday? Yeah,
Oh wow.
Wednesday.
Oh wow.
Yeah, we were here.
Yeah, you're not going through there either.
Yeah, I don't want to go through Poison Oak and stuff like that.
Yeah, well, none of that's poison oak. But,
You know, if you want to run me.
and there's no way to.
Wow.
Oh,
Well, you know what?
Moly.
Back that way, not too far, there was a trail that went down to the other trail over
It
here.
was pretty steep. I checked it out. It was, you know, I'm pretty fearless, but some sections are too steep. I don't know if
Yeah, no, these guys can.
they can do it.
Yeah. I think we're gonna have to
Yeah.
go around. I mean,
Yeah.
Can we make it between those trees?
No, I was gonna. Let me go up behind you right here. I don't think so, Joy.
because the trail goes down, right?
Turns
Yeah.
right and turns.
Hey, that has thorns. In case you were wondering.
Moving back just a second. Let me try to
Yeah,
get in some
Joy.
shade.
Once you get on the other side, there's another great big branch
Too soft.
down there.
Let me look at.
It's really soft on that side too.
This is all poison oak, so we don't want to go through that. Well, shoot.
Eh,
Renee, and the trail goes this way, huh?
Yeah, it goes down, but I mean, like, literally, like, you could go under, like, you can go under. But there's so much brush there once he gets under.
Oh yeah.